Limo, Texas home tours continues. Today we are in Roanoke, Texas. We're looking at these 4 bedrooms with a study. Welcome in, built in 2016. This is one of the options that my client is considering. This is on a kind of lot. That's one of the requirements they're looking for. So we're here. Welcome. All right, so in your immediate, we got the study. And then we have a half bath here. Right. And then we get the kitchen area. You can see very good view for the entrance. Look at the floors. Alright, so that's the view. Living area. Let's look at the master bedroom. Space here. You have double sink. You have a tub. Got the shower. Okay, got a walk-in closet. Room right here. Right. Let's check the rooms upstairs. We got 3 bedrooms upstairs. All right, so you can see how big the living area here. Beautiful spot. Got another bedroom here. Another bathroom up here. We got another bedroom here. Another bedroom, bathroom here. All right, so this is Sam Limo, the Texas Realtor with Better Homes and Gardens. Our tours continues. Please, if you're in market for a home, reach out to me. There's so many great deals happening right now. It's a buyer's market. So if you're ready to move this summer, reach out to me. Call me 214-498-4942. Otherwise, catch me in the next video. Have a good one.